In this video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall the latest software. There's a version 4 that just came out. I sent everyone an email. It is this URL, globaltakeoverlaunch.com/traderinger.zip. So if you go to that email I sent, or just type that in, then you want to go to your VPS. Log into your VPS and click on your Google. You're going to go here to the address bar and type that in, and it's going to give you the zip file for that. Oh, right here. So it's down here. These are the three that you just highlight them and you copy. Okay, and then you can close all this out and then just go to your desktop and paste them. Well, I've already done that. So here they are. All three of these are in your on your desktop now. So you go to this complete white one first. This is the actual software. So you go there and you go to File, Open Data Folder. And then before I do this, you have to make sure that all of your trades are closed out. You cannot have any open trades. So you have to either close them out manually or just wait for the software to close them out. And so if you're in, like, I don't know, $50, $100 drawdown, you probably want to wait for the software to close them out because you don't want to take that loss. So you want to turn off the auto trader and then just come back, a couple hours later, maybe the next day, to see if they are finally closed out. Once they're all closed out, do that. Copy that, the one open data folder, MQL4, and then under experts, you are going to erase the old TradeRinger and you're going to paste the new TradeRinger. Exit out of this. Then you have to come over here, you right click and you refresh. Before we do that, then you have to go over here, and this one with the gears on it, you're going to right click, click copy. Then you're going to go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL4. Now this is libraries. You want to delete this one. And if this comes up again, what you want to do is you just want to, the best thing to do is to close out all of these and then do it again. Because it's still technically running in there, and you want to replace this one as well. Now it will delete. So you paste it, and you're good. Now you want to go back to your pairs that you're running. Now I heard with this software, the software runs on 5 pairs perfectly. I just don't know what those other 2 pairs are yet. So right now we're just going to use the 3 that we know. So you're going to right click, chart window, right click, chart window for all 3. Click this button here. You want to change it to daily charts. So click on every one of these and click D1. You want them on day charts. Then all you have to do now is drag the TradeRinger into all 3 charts. Make sure if you need to change anything here, I want to go to load, click the default settings, weekly goal 20%. You want the range levels to be high. Lot size 0.3. That's pretty high there. And then you don't want to trade on Thursday. Save. And then as you do that, you click OK, then you'll have to enter in your email and your password for Economy. And you're good. And that is how you change the new software.